my channel. In this video I did an everyday glam look, except for I used new products, which I will list down in the description box below. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. If you guys like this look, please continue to watch. So I already did my eyebrows, of course, and I did prime my face with the Milk of Magnesia. I am going to be trying some new products today. The Wet n Wild Precious Petals, I've already tried once before, but I just decided to buy it again because I don't know where the other one is. And then I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I heard really good reviews about it, so hopefully I like it, and hopefully this is my skin tone, because y'all know I've been mixing two different brands. And then this is the Revolution concealer. Hold on. The Revolution translucent powder. I have the banana one. The banana one is really good, but I wanted to try the translucent one. But this is the Morphe beauty blender. I think it's like foundation and contour or something like that. I don't know, but I've seen good reviews on this too. And it's supposed to be a full coverage foundation, so hopefully it really is. And my hair maybe like have some white spots in it because I put up my Christmas tree and I flocked it, and so the white stuff off of the Christmas tree when I was putting my decorations on it got in my hair. It actually got everywhere. It got on my clothes, it got in my hair, it got everywhere, on my couches, everything. So I guess this foundation is okay. I guess. I don't know. I'm going somewhere tonight, so we'll see how it does tonight. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the concealer, the Revolution concealer. In with this concealer. And the foundation is really like, I feel like it's really thin. Like you have to, if you like a more heavier feeling type of foundation, I mean, you can build it up always, but the foundation is very like thin. So I'm gonna go in with the same beauty blender, and I'm just gonna go with the opposite end, and I'm gonna blend it out. So the concealer doesn't dry too fast, and it's really easy to blend out, and it feels good. Like my whole face feels really light. Like it doesn't feel like I have much of anything on my face. Seriously. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the Revolution translucent powder, and I'm just gonna put this underneath my eyes wherever I put the concealer. And then I'm just going back in and making sure that I'm not creasing before I go ahead and put the powder underneath. So now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match, my powder foundation. And since I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, I'm just going to take that beauty blender and I'm going to make sure my eyes is increased, and then I'm going to put my foundation on top of my eyes. And then without putting any more powder on this brush, I'm just going to take that, whatever I have on it, and just sweep away that setting powder, even if it's not very much. Okay, so now we're about to contour, and I got a new brush, a new contouring brush. I don't know how I feel about it yet. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Benefit. Whoa, no. No. Y'all can, okay, so I'm not gonna add any more. I'm just gonna use this, what I have, and just kind of blend it out because, oh my God. Oh my God, this is terrible. Now we're going to take a brush and blend it all out. I like this. This gonna be cute or whatever. Even though I messed up on my contour just a little bit, it's still gonna be cute. So now I'm about to contour my nose, but I'm not gonna do too much. Okay, so now what I'm about to do, boom. So now I'm going to go in with my Milani setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray ever. Okay, so now I'm about to just go in with my mascara before I put on my lashes. These are the lashes I'm going to be using from Pastel Beauty, and these are in Rocky Road. They're not inside of here, but because I have them right here with the glue drying. And I do have a code for y'all, which I'm going to list down below in the description box, just like I do everything else. So cute. So now I'm about to go in with my Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlight. So now I'm just about to go in with my mascara and do me some mascara for my bottom lashes. Okay, so I don't know what lip gloss I want to use. Yeah, I don't know if I would just want to use some clear lip gloss or if I want to do like a color. And y'all know I'm about to use me some lip liner, so. And now I'm about to go in with my, I don't even know what this one is. Now I'm about to go in with my MAC lipstick. I use this lipstick up, and this is in the color, I think, Honey Love. I don't remember. Let me go back in with my lip liner. When did I find it? Y'all, I just freaking had this lip liner. Where did it go? Cause right now I look a mess. So this is the finished look right here. It is too cute. Oh my god.